Organic liquid fertilizers are very known because they absorb instantly into the roots and start showing us amazing results. For instance, use of cow dung liquid fertilizer enforces a flourishing green growth on a plant. On the other hand, this liquid promotes buds and flowers of big size and brighter colors. So, in this video, we will know in depth about some of the key organic liquid fertilizers. Their regular use can really surprise you. So let's dive deep into the topic and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most useful organic liquid fertilizer is the compost tea liquid. It's made from compost. You can use any kind of compost like kitchen waste compost, vermicompost and so on. All you need to do is to soak a handful of compost in a liter of water for 1 to 2 days. And here you can add this small piece of jaggery in it and your compost tea will be ready in better quality. No need to cover the container, just keep it in a shade. Within 2 to 3 days, the color will turn black. Now dilute it with 10 parts of more water and then use it for plants. You can use it for any kind of plant. Its main purpose is to provide trace elements to the plant. Using compost tea will keep all kind of leaf problems away. Also the fruiting will be better. You can learn in depth about compost tea from the description box video. Now this is the next organic liquid fertilizer that works amazing on flowering plants, especially for seasonal flowers. It promotes a lot of buds and flowers on them. The flowers will be shinier and big in size. It's made from mustard cake. Mustard seeds are pressed to extract oil and the remaining waste is called as mustard cake. It's high in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus and many trace elements. Making mustard cake liquid fertilizer is also super easy. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard cake powder in a liter of plain water. You can also buy it from the description box link. Place it in a shade for 3 to 4 days. Now dilute this resulted liquid with 6 parts of more water. Use a glass of this organic liquid fertilizer in every 5 inches pot and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Next organic liquid fertilizer is the richest source of nitrogen. It's cow dung liquid fertilizer. The making procedure is as simple as soaking the cakes in the water for 2 to 3 days. When the cow dung cakes settles down in the water, then you can dilute the liquid with 5 to 8 parts of more water and use it as a cow dung liquid fertilizer. 100 ml of cow dung liquid fertilizer is enough for a 5 inches pot. It's high in nitrogen, which is the whole greenery on a plant. Using cow dung liquid fertilizer will enforce leafy growth on a plant. It works very well if your plant is at its growing stage or if you wanna make the plant bushier and green. It can be used for all kind of plants. A detailed video on this is added in the description box. You can follow that. Another amazing liquid fertilizer is the wood ash tea. It's made from wood ash and it's high in potassium. Potassium is an essential element for a plant. It converts the flowers into fruit, makes the fruit bigger and tasteful, so it's most useful. You can learn all about potassium and wood ash from the description box. For making wood ash tea, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash in a liter of water and place it in a shade. After 2 to 3 days, you can use this undiluted liquid directly to the soil. 100 ml for a 10 inches pot is enough. Use it especially when the plant starts to flower. This will prove very beneficial, and here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another form of organic liquid fertilizer is the seaweed liquid. Seaweed liquid is the extract of weeds found in the sea. It's filled with trace elements. Your plants will get a lot of benefits from this. For making a liquid fertilizer out of it, add 1 tablespoon of seaweed liquid into a liter of water. You can also buy pure quality seaweed from the description box. Mix well and now you can use this liquid directly to the soil. 100 ml is enough for a 6 to 8 inches pot. The plant will absorb nutrients and show you its results very soon. Just don't use too much. Detailed guide on seaweed is also added in the I button. Another very useful and known liquid fertilizer is the banana peels liquid. Banana peels are high in potassium. The best way to use banana peels is to dry them and add to the soil. But liquid fertilizer can be made too. Add 3 to 4 banana peels in a liter of water and keep it in a shade. Within 3 to 4 days, the peels will settle down. Now you can dilute this liquid with 5 parts of more water and use for plants. 100 ml for a 6 to 8 inches pot is enough. You can use it every 2 weeks. But plants also need phosphorus and nitrogen, just keep that in mind. Banana peels liquid is very useful when your plants have fruit growing on them. So it's all about organic liquid fertilizers. You can use them on regular basis. Don't use only one forever. Include all of them in your fertilizing routine. That will be more ideal. Here is a detailed video on potassium and its benefits if you like to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.